Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how we can rotate a page in Notability and also how we can rotate some images in Notability. So first thing first, let's go and rotate a page. So as you can see here, I have opened up some um, some like PDF here in Notability. Now if I want to rotate something, I go right here at the right top corner. You will see these two pages right here, which I clicked right now, and it will open up these pages. Uh, Depends how big is your document. Now you will see here on every page these three dots in a circle. So click on that, and directly you will see here rotate in the middle of it. So click on that. And now, as you can see, we successfully rotated our note. I will do it again. As you can see, now it's a little bit different. So if I can rotate back, now I need to do full circle that I get back to the previous line like so. And now we are back. Okay, so what we can do now, I will zoom a little bit, and here I will select this box, as you can see here. Now if I select this text, I can copy and now paste it. What I can do with this now is you will see here some gray line and circle on the right side, and this means that we can rotate our whole text right here however we want, and we can also minimize it. Now, okay, so now I need to select this one. Now if I want to show you with an image, now I have imported image. So how I imported image is right here, this plus icon, if you see it at the top with plus in a circle. So this is how you can import an image. Now we will select this image. So I will go with like that. And as you can see now, we can move this image around and rotate it how we want it. And we can minimize and so on. So this is basically it, how you can move around and rotate pages and notes and stuff in Notability. Always use this box right here. It's really useful thing to have, to use. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.